Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Jaydeep Garala. Today we will install Windows 11 on Windows 10. So friends, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and share this video to all of your friends. I have Windows Update notification in my taskbar. I will right click and open it. In the Windows Update option, we have message upgrade to Windows 11 ready and it's free. Now we have two options, download and install Windows 11 and stay on Windows 10. I want to install Windows 11, so I will click on download and install and we will get a software license terms. If you want to read the software license term, you can read software license term and after that we will click on accept and install. Updates are ready to download. We will click on download button. It takes some time, so I will pause my video. After download is complete, it will install Windows Update on the computer. After updates are installed, we have three options for install the newest Windows 11 features. Update pick a time, restart tonight and restart now. So we will click on restart now. Now working on updates, please keep your computer turned on and your computer may restart a few times. Now we have successfully installed Windows 11. Here is our applications. In Windows 11 taskbar we have search icon, widget, new desktop, chat and other browsers. In widget you get information about climate, environment, news and also financial market. In search menu you can find the application which you need. In settings we can change Windows 11 features in our computer. Many features like that Windows 10 and there are many new features in Windows 11. Now we will open Windows File Explorer and we can see Windows folder theme is changed. Now we go to this PC option. Earliest Windows version, its name is My Computer. Now we will click on C drive. In C drive we have Windows.old folder. We will right click on Windows.old folder and click on properties. In this Windows.old folder, there are Windows 10 files in this folder. If you don't get back to Windows 10, you can delete Windows.old file. So easiest way to delete Windows.old file. So let's start Windows Explorer. We will right click on C drive and click on show more option to show all menu and click on properties. Now we can see property of C drive and click on disk cleanup. Now we have a disk cleanup for C drive. In disk cleanup, we will click on clean up system files. Minimize our Windows Explorer. Now we will select everything to file to delete list. After that, we will click on OK to disk cleanup message. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. After all this process, we completely delete Windows 10 old version and we will only have Windows 11 version. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Thank you.